Is Andre is a lechon? No, no, it's dirty, dirty. Nice haircut. How about your hair? No haircut. Nice haircut. No, you give it to your teacher. Bye-bye.
He's a teacher!
Is Andre is a lechon?
He's a lechon.
No, no, it's dirty, dirty. Nitro is a lechon. Nitro is he's not a lechon. He is
A chicken wing!
chicken wing. Lechon manok.
Wait! Mama! No, here is... No, no! Main car is...
Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy?
No,